Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hi there, meet with me again in News CNC channel. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to download APK from Play Store directly using our browser. In here, I want to download some application or games via my Google Chrome browser in here. Let's open Play Store site. Okay, you can see there. For example, in here, I want to download uh, Pokemon Go application like this. This is a game by Nintic Inc. And to download application or game via our web browser, you can just type apps.afuzi.com. Then you can click APK downloader. After you copy paste or you copy this URL of your application that you want to download, you can paste here and generate download link. Okay, you can see there. Now the file says, or the file size is 85.9 megabytes. You can generate download link here and click here to download your application. Okay, now you done to download your apps that uh, you want to download by inputting a Play Store URL. Okay, that's a tutorial about how to download application or games via our web browser. Thanks for watching and bye bye.